Hi friends, it's Miss Laurel. This week we're going to be talking about the rainforest, and the rainforest occurs in South America, Africa, Asia, and parts of Australia. Today we're going to read a story about the rainforest in Australia, and we know that rainforests are really big forests that have all different kinds of animals, and it rains a lot, and they're different than forests we would see here in Illinois. So they're very unique. So this story is called Where the Forest Meets the Sea by Janine Baker. My father knows a place we can only get to by boat. Not many people go there, and you have to know the way through the reef. So in Australia, there's a great big coral reef that has all different types of animals and fish. They're made out of beautiful different colors. So that's by the rainforest. When we arrive, cockatoos rise from the forest in a squawking cloud. My father says there has been a forest here for over 100 million years. What animal was around 100 million years ago? Give you a hint, it starts with a D. My father says there used to be crocodiles here and kangaroos that lived in trees. Maybe there still are. I follow a creek into the rainforest. I pretend it is 100 million years old. What animal is right here? Dinosaurs. On the bank of the creek, the vines and creepers tried to hold me back. I pushed through. Now the forest is easy to walk in. That'd be kind of tricky to walk through this forest. I sit very still and watch and listen. I wonder how long it takes the trees to grow to the top of the forest. Probably a very long time. I find an ancient tree. It is hollow. Perhaps Aboriginal forest children played here too. I climb inside the tree. It's dark, but the twisted roots make windows. This is a good place to hide. What animal is this? A spider. It is time to go and find my father. I think I hear the sea. I walk towards the sound. My father has made a fire and is cooking the fish he caught. But I like fish cooked this way, I like fish cooked this way. But then I feel sad because the day has gone so quickly. My father says we'll come here again someday. Looks like a fun place to be. But will the forest still be here when we come back? Hopefully so. And this is a map of Australia. So it's it's below the equator, so on the other side of the world from us. The place, the people, and the predicament are real. This forest is part of the wilderness between the Daintree River and Bloomfield in North Queensland, Australia. There remain at the making of this book only 296,000 acres of wet tropical rainforest wilderness that meet the ocean waters of the Great Barrier Reef. Small as it is, this is the largest pristine area of rainforest left in Australia. The artist made 2 extensive field trips to the Daintree Wilderness to research and collect materials. These relief collages are constructed from a multitude of materials, including modeling clay, papers, textured materials, preserved natural materials, and paints. We make lots of different collages in preschool, just like in this book. All right, thanks friends. Have a good rest of your day.